Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I am here with a little Michaels haul for you. I also want to remind you that down in the description section of my videos, I have ways to get in touch with me, specifically Instagram. If you guys want to be friends on Instagram, my link is below. Okay, so let's get started. I went to Michaels last week. By the time you see this video, it will have been last week. And they were having the deal on the Hot Buy paper pads where you buy one, get two free. So I got 3. So the first one I got was the glitter rainbow because I want to find some glitter paper for Christmas. I want to find like red and green. And then I wanted some purple for like Halloween. This isn't the most vibrant, best glitter paper. I'll show you what I mean. Like here's the red and you can see like there's little particles of like silver in it. It's okay. But I just got it because I didn't have any. They did have a pack of glitter paper that was red that was beautiful, but it was $29.99 and I was like, no, I'll wait for that to go on sale. So for now I got this one. So that was the first one. The second one, I wanted to get like a fall themed and they had a couple of different ones, maybe like 3 I think. And I was having a hard time making a decision, so I told my husband, I'm like, pick the one that you think is the best. So he got this one. This one's called Harvest Meadow. And I'll show it to you really quick. Let me see. Let me pull this back a little bit. So let's see. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I love that foil. Oh, I love this one. That's pretty. Cozy blankets, perfect pumpkins, crunching leaves, sparkling fires, and cool days and warm nights. Love you, fall. Those are cute tags. So there's that. Again, that was Harvest Meadow. And then I also got Spellbound Forest. I love this one. I already have one of these, but I love it and I've used several of the papers from it, so I had to get another one. So let me show you what this one looks like. I really hope they come out with a pastel paper pad this year. Like a pastel Halloween one. I love that paper. Let me go back to that one so you guys can see what it says. Oh, that's so pretty. What would you guys do with this kind of piece of paper that's so big? Like if you were to cut it up, it wouldn't look good. Like I feel like you have to have the whole paper in order to like get the feeling of it. What would you do with that? Would you do like a scrapbook layout with that? I'm just curious. I love it. I don't think I'm gonna use it. I love this Starry Night. That's so pretty. And it's also got like script in the background. That's one of my favorite pages from it. That moon is so pretty. Whoa, I flip for those kind of fast. That one's just like black. Book of Spells. That one's gorgeous. And then there's the books. So there's that. And goes away. And I've got a bag here. So their Halloween section, they were just getting it stocked. I had a coupon, otherwise nothing was on sale. There was a couple of things that I really wanted and I figured, you know what, I'm just gonna use my little coupon and get them and pay a little bit more than I normally would because I'll be sad if I don't get these later. So I saw this and I really wanted a corner spiderweb die. So I got that, so cute. I love the little ghost with the look of surprise. And I got these gorgeous bling stickers. These are skeletons with like an iridescent, or skulls with like an iridescent coating on them. I thought this pick was so cute and I have an idea for either one or both of the candy corns, and plus I thought those leaves were so pretty. You could cut those leaves off and put them, you know, layer them on an embellishment. So I thought this had like a lot of potential, and I thought those were so cute. I love how they're like coated in candy. And I think the picks were on sale. These were on sale, but like none of the other Halloween stuff was on sale. And then I got black pom-poms, because believe it or not, I don't have any black pom-poms. So, and then I saw these really pretty snowflake sequins, I guess you would call them. Yeah, sequins. And if you guys can hear noise in the background, it's my fan, because it is hot here in California today. Then I got these, and I got these because I love those little mini tombstone dies. Those are so cute, and I have an idea for these. So, and I love like the creepy tree and the fence. I just love this whole die set. That was so cute. And then they did have stickers that were only $1, which I was so surprised. So they had these cute latte stickers. And then they also have these pumpkin stickers. Now they're not puffy or anything like that, they're flat, but still I thought they were super cute. And then I got this ribbon because I thought this would be pretty for Halloween, and it's got like, it looks like kind of like little jewels on it, little iridescent jewels. I found this at the checkout, and this is my absolute favorite chocolate candy bar. I guess it's a candy bar. It's the Kit Kat Duos, and it's the mint and dark chocolate. You guys, these are so good. You have to try them if you like mint and chocolate together. Actually, I got two. Put that in my little stash for when I'm crafting and I need a little sweet treat. Just break off a piece. Also in the Halloween section, I got these glittery spiders, which I thought were so pretty. I looked for these online. I shouldn't say I looked for them online. I found them online, but they were out of stock, and I was like, darn it. So when I was in the store and saw them, I was like, yes. I also got these, the Boo stickers, which are so cute. And then I found these cool black glitter crows, which I thought were awesome. So really happy with those. And then I found these adorable, cute pumpkins. I remember a few years back, they used to have these white glitter pumpkin stickers. I hope they get them in because I absolutely love them. And then you guys, they, over in the bead section, I didn't get any because I have plenty of them, but they have the Heishi beads back again. Remember when they had the 3 packs of Heishi beads, and it would be like a pack, and then they were kind of like in a waterfall packaging, and it would be like orange, but it would be 3 different colors of orange, and then it would be blue, and it would be 3 different colors of blue. They have them back, you guys. The colors look a little bit different than the ones before. But like I said, they weren't on sale, and I didn't get any because I have a lot of Heishi beads now. But also in this section, they had these gold Heishi beads, and I thought they were so pretty, so I got these. They're just little tiny, they're about 5 millimeter, 6 millimeter maybe. Yeah, they're probably about 6 millimeter. But I thought they were so pretty, these spacer beads. And then I got, I'm trying to make sure I didn't forget anything else. I don't think I did. I got this Celebrate It glitter tool, and I'm gonna open it up because it looks so pretty. Let me open it up so we can look at it. Oh, this is so beautiful, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love this. Hold on. Technical difficulties here. Look at this. This is gorgeous. This will be so pretty layered on embellishments, or like making bows out of it. That's pretty. I love the wavy lines, and then how it has like the iridescent glitter. So guys, that was my Michaels haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I can't wait until they get more Halloween stuff in. But I know it's like not easy getting into the Halloween spirit in August, but I suggest you get out there and get it, or get it when it goes on sale, or you know it's gonna be gone. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.